2009 Chevy Impala, LT, LS, L something. LT. All the videos we looked online was it says that this wheel speed sensor for the ABS stuff, you can just turn and they pop out, but not this case here. You have to take this whole hub assembly off of the car like this and get a whole new one. And you got the emergency brake here, so it's like this on the car, and you got these holes here. So you got 4 bolts you got to take out. You put the socket here, then you spin it, get the next one out, and that's bolted in here. And the emergency brake thing comes off. All you gotta do is unhook the sensor. This will come off with it after you take your rotor off and all that. You get that so far. Then they said to get a slide hammer and pull out. Well, what we did was took a chisel, put it here, pounded in here a little bit, got it moving a little bit, broke the seal, and just kept moving around and around with the chisel. Then got one on each side and then started popping and it came loose. So, and then this part here, the dust shield came off, and then we undid the emergency brake stuff. We're gonna go get a new one of these at O'Reilly's. I'm gonna come back and then we'll show you a little bit how to put it back together. So we couldn't find any videos how to do this, so we just had to figure it out. So all the videos didn't show the right way to do it for a rear one. So hopefully this helps somebody. So we went to O'Reilly's, we got the new one, putting it all back together, putting the emergency brake back onto it now. Then we have to hook the spring back up, and then put the emergency brake pads back in the little doohickey, hooked to the cable. And we'll try to pound this baby back into here then. Put a little grease in there or something. Yeah. Some WD-40 to help slide it in.
Probably seat in pretty good if you
get it nice and clean.
Turn them evenly.
Yep.
Yeah, we can probably, hindsight, we can do that spring right here as we speak.
Yep. Now we'll just get it started a little bit and put the bolts in there and pull it in evenly. A little bit of a learning curve, but we figured it out.
There we are, back in business. Oh, give her help.
Yep, put it back together. That little clippy thing fell out.
That's okay, right?
We can put that in later.
Probably get them all 4 started. Okay. Oh, with a little luck, yeah, that's pretty much there. Okay, what was that? That's a 14 or that's a 15, whatever.
There's a 13 right there underneath of the.
Right on the box, no impact. Sort of tight.
Come down and do this one then.
Yeah. Oh, wedge that sucker in there. Fist tight, fist tight, fist tight, fist tight. Alright, now what? Reef on them a little better?
refine them, and then we'll hit out here with the hammer, and then we'll let it seat a little bit, and then it should pull it in.
Bap it a little bit.
See if they loosened up any.
Probably. Well, they were kind of seated pretty good.
Well, got that all back on. It all worked good. So hopefully that helped somebody. We're not no certified mechanics or nothing, but we figured it out.